Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can edit a formula's cell range reference after creating it if needed. To do this, double-click the formula cell. It then displays itself as the formula instead of the answer to the formula in the worksheet. It also places a blue shading and border around the first cell range referenced by the formula. If you have multiple cell ranges referenced in a formula, they also appear in other border and shading colors like red or purple. You can then resize the referenced cell range or ranges by moving your mouse pointer over one of the 4 resizing handles that appear in the corners of the colored borders until the mouse pointer becomes a 2-pointed black resizing arrow. Then click and drag to resize the cell range reference. You can also move your mouse pointer over the border of a color-shaded cell range reference anywhere other than the corners until you see your mouse pointer become a 4-pointed arrow icon. If you then click and drag the cell range, you move the entire cell range to a new location and release it in a new position. Doing this then changes the cell range referenced by the formula.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.